Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Do you want all your favorite Empower reports in one place? Well, let's build a custom report combo. The first point is to navigate to reports. So head over to the report section in your Empower dashboard. You're going to see individual reports like net worth, budgets, cash flows, and investments. Next point is to select multiple reports. So click on each report that you want included. For example, net worth plus budgets plus cash flow, whatever it is, and then Empower lets you combine them into a single report. Next is to customize the range. So you're going to choose the time frame. Could be last month, last quarter, or year to date. You can also filter by accounts or categories to refine your view. And finally, export as a bundle. You can download your combo as a PDF or Excel file. Now, instead of juggling multiple reports, you've got one file with everything that you need. Custom combos save time and gives you the big picture at a single glance. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Empower tips. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.